Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to lower a Honda CRV. First, decide if you want to use lowering springs or a complete coilover system. Lowering springs are generally more affordable and offer a modest drop, typically 1 to 2 inches. Coilovers provide more adjustability for ride height and damping. Gather all necessary tools, such as a floor jack, jack stands, and a spring compressor, to ensure a safe and efficient installation process. Always prioritize safety. Before you begin, park your Honda CRV on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts on all 4 wheels, then use a floor jack to lift the vehicle. Place sturdy jack stands under the frame at designated points for safety, then remove the wheels completely. Next, carefully disconnect any brake lines, ABS sensors, or sway bar links that are attached to the strut assembly. This ensures you have clear access for removal. With the wheels off and lines disconnected, you can now unbolt the top hat nuts located under the hood or in the cargo area. Then, remove the lower strut mounting bolts that connect the strut to the knuckle. Carefully pull the entire strut assembly out. If you're only replacing springs, use a spring compressor to safely remove the old spring and install the new one. For coilovers, simply install the new unit, ensuring all bolts are torqued to specification. Once your new suspension is installed, reattach all brake lines, ABS sensors, and sway bar links. Reinstall the wheels and lower your CRV off the jack stands, then torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. It's crucial to get a professional wheel alignment immediately after lowering your vehicle. This corrects any changes in camber and toe, preventing uneven tire wear and ensuring safe handling. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.